In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tasks in Wrike. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by cluttered to-do lists or simply find yourself needing to clean up your workspace, then this guide is for you. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can manage your tasks efficiently and keep your projects organized. First things first, let's start by navigating to wrike.com. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a login button. Click that, enter your email and password and gain access to your workspace. If you're not already registered, you'll want to create an account as you'll need login credentials to perform task deletions. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the project or folder where the task you want to delete resides. Be thorough in your search, as organization is key when managing tasks across different projects or folders within Wrike. This ensures you're removing the correct task and that nothing essential is mistakenly deleted. After locating the desired project or folder, the next step is to find the task itself. When you've identified the task you wish to delete, you have two options. You can either right-click directly on the task for a quick access menu, or click on the three-dot menu that's situated near the task's name. Both methods will lead you to the same result, so feel free to use whichever you find more convenient. With the menu open, scroll down to find the option labelled Delete. Click on Delete and the system will initiate the process to remove that task from your active list. However, Wrike employs a safety net to prevent accidental deletions. When you delete a task, it doesn't disappear entirely from the system right away. Instead, it's placed in what's known as the recycle bin. This way, if you've made a mistake or simply changed your mind, you can quickly recover the deleted task. It's important to note that not all users have the ability to delete tasks. In Wrike, only certain user roles can perform deletions. Specifically, the roles excluded from this capability are collaborators, contributors, and viewers. If you possess a different user role, feel confident in proceeding, as you'll have the permissions required. By following these instructions, you'll be able to maintain a tidy and efficient workspace within Wrike. Keeping your task lists current and organized not only boosts your productivity, but also alleviates the stress of wading through outdated or unnecessary items. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to delete tasks in Wrike. Stay organized and keep your projects running smoothly with these simple steps.